Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is your pal Pete on the old 22 Pan America. Thanks for coming back. If it's your first time here, thanks for visiting. I'm currently on a trip to Alaska on my 2022 Pan America Special with my buddy on his 2015 BMW GS 1200. Today we're heading out of Santa Fe, New Mexico. If you haven't seen my last video, go ahead and check it out as we make our way from Texas to New Mexico. I'll leave a link in the description. As we head through New Mexico, you can see that it's not just this flat area or desert. It is a desert, but it's not the desert you think it is. The canyons are just amazing the way they're carved out through just millions of years of water, wind, and all the other cool stuff. And there's the water down there on your left. The river runs through it. I'm not sure what river it is, but it runs through it. But if you've never been out to New Mexico, you really owe it to yourself. It has some amazing scenery, amazing areas to ride, and just a great place to visit. I should know. I used to live there. Some of these rock canyons are just so cool. And some of the rock formations, as you see here, are just amazing that over time, how they're just carved by water and wind. The erosion just makes them really neat. Now, as we headed into Colorado, things slightly changed. You know, there was more meadows of green grass. The Rocky Mountains were in the distance. And as you can imagine, we were getting pretty excited that we're getting closer to the $1 Million Highway. As we made our way through the town of Durango, we ran into our old friend. Yes, what we ran into in Texas came back. The cattle truck. This time, though, we were prepared. But Durango is a great town. It also is the place where you can get a train that will go all the way to Silverton, which you'll see at the end of this video. Now, as we begin our trip up the $1 Million Highway here, we had a great start. A little bit of sprinkles, but it ended up being great. This road is amazing, and with that I'm going to let it go into some audio that I recorded on the bike. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that like button.
It's like a glacier. It's like a big hairpin at the bottom of this sucker. Big hairpin at the bottom of this. Whoa there, Chief. It's just, of course, it's like just, you know, that fine film of rain always makes for a, whoa. That's just amazing. That's just an amazing drop. So that's just an amazing drop right there. Whoa. We are at 9,200 feet, man. We're at 9,200 feet and climbing. And climbing. Yeah, I wonder. Cold Bank Summit formats. Ears are popping. Ears are popping. Pop. Holy shnikes, man. Another wet one, eh? Oh, there's a waterfall going under the road. $10,100 feet. And this is a hell of a view. This is worth it. There's snow. I see snow. Snow. I think there's a pull off up here somewhere. I'd like to stop and get some pictures. I don't know where it is. I know there is one. I just don't. Dude, this is, man, oh man. Holy snowly.
That's right, the old BMW and the Pan America. Right there. Woohoo! Whew, takes the breath away up here. Holy moly. Don't go off that way. You'll be surely flattened. Wow. And if you guys know me any, well, what you do? I don't do well with precipices. Look at those mountains, fellas, ladies. I'm telling you, if you get a chance to get up here, wow. Just wow. I'll come back here again. All right, come back here in a second. This makes the Charahala look like just absolute child's play. Well, so far this is the highest I ever gotten the Harley Davidson. My check engine light is on. That's interesting. I wonder if it's from the altitude. Holy moly. What is that tractor trailer doing up here? Oh, that's just wrong. $1 million highway. I believe it. Wow, look at that view. It's just, man, I am, wow.
Wow. Dude, this is just absolutely amazing. We haven't even made it to Alaska yet, and I'm already just, I'm good. I could definitely see coming back here. I know Wendy would love this. I'm sure Kimmy would too. I mean, there's not a road on the East Coast that even can compete with this. Do you get a lot of noise from your tires in the corner? Okay, it's not just me then. Holy shnikes, dude. Andrews Lake. Let's go camping. Right here. That'd be a funny photo. He set up the tents in the snow. Like, that's right. Oh my gosh, man. There's just view after view after view. It's just view after view. And it's just molasses pass. Oh, dude. Wow. I think mayo and mustard, buddy. Especially with oncoming traffic. Man, look at that view. Holy smokes. 100 feet. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, it was 10,000 where we came from. We only dropped 1,000 feet, but it feels like we came down like a lot further than that. All right, I guess we gotta figure out where the hell we're going, huh? Let's pull in over here at the visitor center.
This ends part 1 of the $1 Million Highway video. Part 2 will be coming out shortly as I finish editing it up. This was an amazing ride. If you can ever come up here, there's a train that goes from Durango to Silverton. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.